Hello, Caroline from Bubbly Maths, here to talk about the Happy Maths Summer Camp, and we're going to have happy maths moments or happy micro moments of maths. Basically, the summer camp's all about playing games. So the games that we're going to be playing, it's going to be all helping maintain the level and increase the level of understanding of your children in mathematics. And it's not about tutoring. We're not doing tutoring. If you want to tutor, get a tutor. You can get a tutor as well as what we're doing. But what we're doing is playing games. So these are games that you'll be able to play with your family, as a family. So in addition to any other board games or whatever you have, these are some of the games you'll be able to play in the car. Some of the games you want to play around a table. Some of the games are jumping up and down and doing silly things like Command the Robot. Let's demonstrate Command the Robot. So Command the Robot can be played at an early age, but it's simply robot, stand up. Robot, sit down. Robot, go under the chair. Robot, go behind the table. So with the really early years, you're looking at the language of what they call position words for early years. And then as they get older, we're looking at turning left and turning right, taking how many steps. Of course, the very young learners can do a number of steps as well. And that's useful to count steps. And so the number of steps. And then you want to plan. As you go older, you can plan a route. You can plan a shape that you want them to take. You can draw a tree, and you can actually you can plan it. So you're going to write code. Say, okay, what do I have to do to get this robot to follow the path of the tree? And if you're really adventurous, you can actually go outside and use some washable paint or something, or on a piece of paper, you can make a giant piece of paper, tape it all together in your house and step on paint, or use hand, or do it with the hands, the robot move, and you can get the hand painting done using commands. But the idea is you plan the route first, and then you test it out. So you could test it dry to see does it work, and then get the paint, and then so one person gives the commands and the other person does the actions, and the person giving the commands prepares it first. And then you can keep going up to much more sophisticated proper coding. And so the activity, which is called Command the Robot, which is not the activity that's in the description. I couldn't remember what activity I was supposed to be doing, so I just started talking about games, and Command the Robot came up. But if you go to the Aiming High that page that's in the description, click on that and click on Command the Robot. That's great activities there, and we'll be playing those during the summer. And if you're interested in joining us if it sounds intriguing to you, to play games, to improve your math skills and general learning in a fun way without being conscious of doing maths, then join us. And there's a link below for a Happy Micro Maths Moments or Happy Micro Maths Summer Camp. Click on that, and that will take you there. And also, please do join our group. Join Making Maths Fun for Kids of All Ages. That link is also in the description, which is there or there, depending, or might be there if you're depending which social media you're on. And so join us on Making Maths Fun for Kids of All Ages. That's it for today. I will be back on Monday, and we'll be launching these the summer camp shortly. We'll be running the first one. Well, for the UK, we'll be running the first one after school breaks. Well, I don't know exactly when we'll be running the first one. We haven't got the exact date. We'll be announcing the date shortly. Thank you for joining us. Send us messages, comment, ask questions. We look forward to hearing from you and playing maths with you for the whole summer long. See you next time. Caroline from Bubbly Maths signing out.